In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find what version of Google Chrome I have. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser window is active and fully visible, so you can easily access the menu options in the top right area of the screen. Once Chrome is open, look to the upper right corner of the window. You will see the More menu, which is represented by 3 vertical dots. Click those 3 dots to open the main Chrome menu. After the menu opens, move your cursor down until you see Help. In some cases, you may need to hover over Help to reveal another small menu. When that submenu appears, click About Google Chrome. As soon as you select About Google Chrome, Chrome will open a page that shows information about your browser. Your current version of Google Chrome will be displayed right near the top of that page, so it is easy to spot. It is also helpful to know that this page often checks for updates automatically when you open it. That means if your browser is out of date, Chrome may begin updating on its own while you are viewing the version page. If that happens, you may be asked to relaunch the browser after the update finishes. That covers everything you need to know.